8th Annual Manufacturing Expo. I am the President and CEO of the East County Economic Development Council, and this is the manufacturing event we hold every year.
I am here supporting Manufacturing Month by providing this wonderful opportunity to our community members, our students here at Grossmont College, and also our students in East County. We have several hundred, if not close to 1,000 students that are going to be going through our event today, our Manufacturing Expo. And so today's event is about bringing innovation to the campus, sharing innovation with our campus community, especially around manufacturing, and also helping our students make connections with employers. Many employers will be able to talk to them, answer their questions. In some cases, there'll be on-hands activities, and so there'll be a really nice, all-around, innovative event that allows students to connect to each other.
I think you need to identify that area you're most interested in. You think there's a potential maybe for a career in that, and then pursue certifications, education, whatever you can do, internships, get involved, make relationships with people who already do that job, and ask for their advice.
There's so many different careers in manufacturing. Specifically at Taylor Guitars, we have 23 different departments that you could come to work for us. It's not only building our products, but it's also sales, marketing, finance, research and development, engineering. All great careers for someone to have.
We partner with City Community College and we take a bunch of engineering courses. We do different like model sketching, stuff like that, but then recently we started working on electric guitars. So we're building those from scratch, and we have a blank piece, and we can either pick from like a normal body design that is already made, or we can custom design. This is a custom design body, and we kind of just go through the process of building our own guitar that we get to keep for later on.
I've got three different classes. So in the morning I have my construction class. So they'll be doing anywhere from learning about different trades like carpentry, electricity, plumbing. And my second or third period class is my capstone class. That's the third year that they take three-year program. And they're doing, right now they're building cabinetry, and then they'll eventually go into guitar building.
What we learn in here, I know that I will be able to use it when I want to have a job or when I go off into college, because some kids go into college not knowing how to use SolidWorks, or not knowing how to program code, or not knowing how to like speak to elders or people that are older than you to try to get something done.
Today in our class in the Grande Foundation Manufacturing Academy, we're going over advanced blueprint reading and math, such as trigonometry, true position, things like that these folks would need in a manufacturing environment or inspection environment.